Hi there, a very good morning and good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching with Simply Stocks. And I'm here with another video, and this time this video pertains to a small cap company that is POKARNA. And I believe POKARNA from these levels with the less margin of safety can perform extremely well. So let's understand about the business. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about POKARNA, here's a small request. Sir, can you support me on Patreon? And once you do that, help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. Also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join the WhatsApp membership. That is a 1 year membership for you all. Now, the company established in 1991, POKARNA provides quads for kitchen tops and specialty building materials. They have global presence and it is in a niche segment serving leading clients. The market cap of the company has dropped to around 1200 crores from more than 2000 crores a few months back. If you look at the financials, these are Q2 numbers. So sales went up by 40% to around 213 crores. These are September quarter numbers. And profit was up by 20%. The problem is the margins. The margins have shrunk over a period of time. And there's decent promoter and institutional holding. ROE of around 23% is pretty decent, but the operating profit margins has dropped over the years. In terms of performance, stock did extremely well once the pandemic was over from 2021 onwards, and in 1 year it surged something like 5x, and then the decline started. So top line growth was phenomenal, and it is showing very good 35-40% top line growth, but it has fallen 60% from the top because bottom line performance has been sluggish. Sometimes it shows growth, sometimes the company shows degrowth. So that is why, because of less consistency, the stock hasn't been doing that well. I think numbers are set to improve as demand increases going forward, and global recovery should see company perform better. So another stock that is a global player, and once Europe and US recover big time, this stock will again perform very good over a shorter period of time. So why I believe it can be big over the next 2-3 years. Margins and profitability should be better than what it is currently. And picking up of global economy is a tailwind. So what I feel is that we are in the doldrums in terms of global economic situation at the moment. But 6 months down the line, I see things improving drastically. So I believe that if one can accumulate over the next 5 to 6 months, it can reap the rewards by say 2025 or 2026. It's going to perform extremely well. And remember that quartz and kitchen tops are in demand as real estate picks up here in India and does well. This will be in demand because modular kitchens and everything that is more modern in nature is being brought up across the urban areas, and domestic vertical to show high growth, as I believe that India as a nation in terms of real estate growth is going to go a long way over the next 5-6 years, and valuations have become attractive after the stock has fallen 40-50% from the top, has corrected, and most of the small cap companies have corrected. These are very decent levels to get into such companies. In terms of technical, I believe that 350 is a strong long short-term support, is a good support. Long-term supports lie around 300, so may see some consolidation and decline. Any levels closer to 350, 330, 350 is a very good buying opportunity from a long-term point of view. Looks decent on charts, and a strong up move is expected above 440, 445. So I don't see on short-term basis that one can trade unless the stock surges past 450, but on a long term basis one can absolutely accumulate between 300 and 350 from a 3 year point of view. So in my opinion, buy if you are ready to take some risk in this segment of real estate, because things can go up and down, and keep track of numbers. If you have it, then hold on to it with a deeper stop loss of 340 and even deeper at 300 depending on your risk appetite. So buy in tranches over the next 6 months as I explained, and have less than 5% exposure into such stock. Hopefully by 2025 end or mid 2026, this should be pretty big from the current levels that it is trading at. So this was my video on POKARNA. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.